Kilauea's lava fountain breaks record, shoots 650 feet and lasts over 9 hours. In the early morning hours of the 1st of June 2026, the sky above Kilauea turned a fiery red. From Halemaʻumaʻu Crater, lava shot nearly 200 meters into the air. It created one of the most spectacular volcanic displays ever witnessed in Hawaii. In the following hours, the eruption captured the attention of scientists and broke a decades-old record. This event marked the 48th eruptive episode since Kilauea's periodic activity began on the 23rd of December 2024. Over the past year, the volcano has produced many eruptive episodes with varying characteristics. These ranged from lava flows to towering fountains. This episode stands out because it set a new record in Kilauea's modern history. With the start of the 48th episode, the number of lava flows during this series of eruptions officially surpassed the previous record set during the Puʻuʻōʻō eruptions from 1983 to 1986. That record had stood for decades before being surpassed by the most recent activity at Halemaʻumaʻu. When scientists arrived at the site around 5 a.m., the eruption had been ongoing for approximately 20 minutes. By that time, the lava fountain had already reached a height of over 330 feet. Activity continued to increase rapidly until it peaked around 6 a.m. At its peak intensity, lava flows from the crater's north vent rose approximately 650 feet or nearly 200 meters into the air. From a distance, the bright red glow of the erupting lava contrasted with the changing colors of the Hawaiian morning sky, creating a stunning sight and a reminder of the immense power hidden beneath the Earth's surface. During the eruption, millions of cubic meters of lava spewed from the volcano. Scientists estimate the volume of lava released was approximately 7.3 million cubic meters, enough to cover approximately 40% of the floor of the Halemaʻumaʻu crater with a layer of molten rock that then began to cool and solidify. The impact of the eruption was not only visible around the crater. A column of volcanic material rose approximately 25,000 feet into the atmosphere before being carried by winds to the surrounding area. From various locations within Hawaii'i Volcanoes National Park, plumes of smoke and lava jets were clearly visible from nearly 10 kilometers away. Concurrently, volcanic material began to rain down in several areas around the park. Tephra, fragments of volcanic rock ejected during an eruption, fell along with pieces of pumice up to an inch in size. Several vehicles within a few miles of the crater were also covered in a thin layer of ash, and Pele's hair, fine volcanic glass fibers, formed when lava droplets are stretched by the wind. While this eruption appeared powerful, it lasted for a relatively short time. After more than 9 hours of near-continuous activity, the lava flow finally stopped abruptly at 1:37 p.m. local time, marking the end of the 48th episode. As the eruption drew to a close, monitoring instruments detected a series of earthquakes on the southwest side of the crater. This seismic activity continued for several hours after the lava flow ceased. However, scientists observed that the earthquakes did not appear to have had a direct impact on the course of the eruption. Kilauea itself is one of the world's most active volcanoes. Its activity has been scientifically monitored for more than a century, providing researchers with a rare opportunity to understand volcanic processes in detail. Throughout its history, the volcano has undergone several major changes, including a partial summit collapse in 2018 that dramatically altered the shape of the summit area. Since the most recent activity began in late 2024, Kilauea's eruptive pattern has shown a relatively regular cycle. Eruptive episodes occur every few weeks to about once a month, providing scientists with an opportunity to study the dynamics of magma movement beneath the volcano in greater depth. A new record has been set, but Kilauea's activity isn't over yet. Beneath Hawaii's surface, magma continues to move through a complex and incompletely understood network of channels. The 48th episode may be over, but for scientists monitoring the volcano, a bigger question remains. Will the next eruption break another record or reveal something never seen before?